Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add your own songs to your Instagram story. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. And to create a story, swipe to the right side of the home screen. Then, tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Choose a video or a photo that has already your own music added to it. Please note that the Instagram doesn't currently allow you to directly upload your own songs, so you need to prepare your video with the music beforehand. Next, upload your story. Once you select a video or a photo, choose who you want to share your story with. It's either a close friends for a limited group or share your story with all your followers. Tap share and you're done. And that's it. Now, you can share your story with your own custom music. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching!